FIGR IPO live. We're ready to go. I have my shares. This is what I have. What are we going to do with it? I've got 10. I ordered 10 just for the crack, actually, and I got 10. Was quite surprised. I wasn't expecting to, but I did. So I ordered 10, got 10. We're waiting for it to go tradable, be public and tradable. It could happen in the next sort of hour and a half to 2 hours. So we're going to deep dive it. We're going to find out, should we actually sell it? I bought this for a bit of fun, just to support the show and to cover the news. But now I'm thinking, should I keep it? Sensei says, our chart analysis, it's better than the one I wanted to keep at with bullish, which I like. So maybe I'm wrong. Should I keep this? Well, let's have a deep dive and let's find out. Is this one to hold? Let's do it right now. So deep dive, FIGR Technology, FIGR IPO. There it is. You can see how Sensei's put together the image for this. Bit of blockchain, regulation, innovation. These wonderful images are done by his wonderful wife as he prepares the newsletter every morning. Now, I will give you the link below in the chat. If you're watching this now live, I'll give it to you. But we have a newsletter here where you can get this every day to your inbox on an app. You can get an email, or you can also look at it on the website, and you can get it for free. By the way, we have a free plan, but we also have a paid premium plan as well. Here is the link. And by doing that, if you go on our competition page, wait till the end, you can win $1,000. You literally get 500 tickets for our $1,000 giveaway by signing up for the newsletter, which gives you this information for free. So you can win $1,000. Pretty good, right? Wait till the end. I'll give you the link. So should I sell this? Should I flip it, or what? FIGR Technology Solutions, founded in 2018 by Mike Cagney, best known for co-founding SoFi. Okay, I like SoFi, I just don't like the CEO. And June Oi is a blockchain native capital marketplace that integrates loan origination, funding, and secondary markets. Its platform enables consumer lending, trading, and digital asset investing with one standout capability: funding home equity loans in about 10 days, compared with the industry average of over 40 days. Blockchain underpinnings and products. FIGR leverages blockchain to digitize and secure lending workflows. Key products include FIGR Connect, a loan origination platform used by banks and originators; DART, an on-chain lien and electronic note registry that automates lien recording. I like it so far, I think. YLDS, a yield-bearing stablecoin registered with the US Securities and Exchange Commission, designed to secure compliant interest. Okay. They are also piloting crypto-backed loans and debt service coverage ratio loans while signaling expansion into personal, auto, and student lending. Okay. Financial performance and balance sheet snapshot. This is very nice. Thank you, Sensei, for doing this. I didn't do it myself earlier. I just bought it for a bit of a joke. And here I am with 10 shares of it, just for a joke. I mean, how does that work out? Sometimes you get lucky, I guess, in this life, and some days you don't. So it's a bit of a yin and yang, right? For the 6 months ending June 30th, 2025, FIGR reported net revenue of $191 million, up 22.4% year over year. Net income of $29 million, reversing a $30 million loss in 2024. Good. Stockholders' equity of $404 million, alongside an accumulated deficit of $292 million. Thank you for that. This signals improving profitability, but a history of losses. That would be expected in this space. So, okay, I can go with it so far. IPO structure and use of proceeds. This is very important. Where's the money going with the IPO? It's got to be good, otherwise I'll be out at this point. All right, if you just tuned in, we're waiting for FIGR to go live. I've got 10 shares secured. Am I going to trade it? Am I going to flip it? Well, we're going to find out in a minute. FIGR has upsized its IPO, now offering 31.5 million shares at $20 to $22 per share, above its initial range. The primary offering could raise up to $585 million, and with the underwriter's option exercise, total proceeds could reach $689 million. Funds will be used to, this is the key, scale, FIGR Connect, and DART. Good. Expand the YLDS stablecoin and digital asset marketplaces. Good. Repay portions of outstanding debt. Good. I like it. Let's carry on. Market context and investor interest. The deal targets a valuation of up to $4 billion. It arrives amid rising investor demand for regulatory crypto adjacent IPOs, similar to Circle and Bullish. Significantly, Staniel Druckenmiller's DeQuent's family office has indicated interest in up to $50 million of shares, an institutional stamp of approval. Competitive landscape and positioning. FIGR's competition spans traditional banks and crypto-linked fintech lenders. Its edge lies in blockchain efficiency and broad regulatory coverage. Over 180 lending and servicing licenses. 48 money transmitter licenses, SEC broker-dealer registration with alternative trading system status, international crypto licenses in the Cayman Islands and Ireland. I'm in the Cayman Islands. It's weird. There's dinosaurs running around everywhere. Really, it's a real thing. Regulatory and risk considerations. FIGR positions itself as compliance forward with SEC registration for YLDS and multiple lending licenses. Risks include fair lending scrutiny, especially around AI-driven credit decisions. I'm okay with that. I think that's going to work out fine. Blockchain adoption risks with under 1% of real-world assets currently tokenized. I'm okay with that too. I think that's going to work. Heavy reliance on home equity lending, making revenue cyclical and sensitive to housing downturns. That is about to go up. I like that. Analyst views and quotes. IPOX CEO Joseph Schuster, crypto is becoming one of the big pillars of the IPO market, highlighting the momentum of listing via IPOs and de-SPACs. Jeff Zell from IPO Boutique says, investors in this space tend to be patient because they see long-term potential, especially with regulatory hurdles starting to clear. Retail investor takeaways. For retail investors, the key points are strengths, blockchain speed, loans in 10 days. Diverse roadmap, stablecoin tokenization, strong licensing and profitability achieved in 2025. IPO upside. Large size institutional interest, alignment with rising regulated crypto appetite. Risks, regulatory scrutiny, dependence on home equity lending. Uncertain blockchain adoption timeline. Valuation, $4 to $4.6 billion, ambitious but reflective of growth prospects. Sensei has said, as always, it's very important to note this at the bottom here, that this content is for informational, educational purposes only and does not constitute to financial advice. Always do your own research, not financial advice. Absolutely, it's not. We are just doing our own research with our own newsletter, by the way. So if you like the newsletter and you like what you just got, you can get that for free. It's a free plan. Admittedly, it's not as good as the paid plan, obviously. But you can also get free tickets to our giveaway as well. So if you are watching this, you might like to take part in our giveaway. martynlucas.com/giveaway. I shall give you that link in the chat. And I shall end this now as its own video. Sensei, are you still able to put this out? Be interesting to see. This will promote your newsletter. If you're watching, Sensei's watching thinking, what, have I suddenly got a new job? Am I now your editor? Yeah, you have. You haven't got a life, mate. Your job is to basically be available for me 24/7. So there you go. Future, I am not going to sell it. I am going to keep it. I've got 10 shares. I wish I'd bought more. But there you go. I've got 10 secured. I'm not going to sell it. Click above my head for all the links down below in the description, over here and over here. Sensei, stand by, mate, because I want you to put this out. He's going, really? I'm supposed to go out. All right, that's it from me. Stay where you are if you're live, but if you're not, I'll be back in 10 seconds. If you're watching it, that's confusing. Don't worry. Above, here, in a minute. You don't see it now? Sensei's got to put his magic on it. Take care of yourselves and each other.